I went to go move his spider because it's dry. Oh, but the baby frog wants to go under there. No, no, nope. You're gonna leave it. Nope. The frog wants to stay in underneath there. Nope. This is not gonna work. No. Leave it. Come on, let's go get this other baby. Come on. Where are your babies? Not there. Not there, buddy. What did I do with them? Oh, they're in here. Here, pick which one you want. How's that? Oh, them babies. You leave that frog alone. Oh, he loves Cool Cat. He loves Cool Cat. Come on. Oh, you want it up there? All right, I'm going back outside. Oh, the frog. I have that up there drying. Make sure he doesn't. Okay, he's turkey butt.